Hello, Grandpa. We're here at Marilyn and John's house. This is the front door, and as you see, it functions in both the open and closed position. Here we are in the open position, and John will lead you through the front veranda.
Would you like to turn around and say hi to Grandpa? I mean, to Grandpa.
Hello, Grandpa mine. Norma gave me your message, and I'm going to be calling you tonight. And even though you're not here physically, you're here as spiritually as anybody possibly could be. And I love you.
And I'm making
off.
I'm making you coffee.
I am not.
That's enough. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Go
I'm
away.
doing the tour thing too,
Oh,
because he's never been here.
that's right.
So I got to give him the old the
Yeah,
kitchen
that's right.
thing. We got to make sure we
Okay.
hit that.
I'll
But-
behave myself in
I
front of the
hate those things.
camera.
I hate them.
I am relaxed. Last time I watched your video, it took forever to get
Charlie,
through the room.
Over by the phone, I put some of those little packets if you want to take them.
Else can use those at home.
They're for whoever, but I had you in mind.
Well, I'm mostly sneezing.
Claire and Jim Jones, or I guess when Mom got on the board, but I mean, it really gives you a sense.
You know, you remember this video of, well, part of it was, maybe it's the same one, when they were up in,
Oh, yeah, then it was.
okay,
Yeah.
that one, plus